Want to learn how to generate eye-catching video ad thumbnails using AdCreative AI? In this video, we're going to walk you through how this software makes creating stunning thumbnails a breeze, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick around until the end, because I'll also show you how you can use AdCreative AI completely free with an exclusive bonus just for watching. AdCreative AI is a powerful tool designed to simplify the ad creation process, and when it comes to video ad thumbnails, it takes out all the guesswork. Instead of spending hours designing thumbnails, AdCreative AI lets you quickly generate thumbnails that grab attention, match your branding, and are optimized for high engagement. The platform uses artificial intelligence to analyze your content and generate thumbnail designs that are proven to convert. It does all the hard work for you, saving you time and energy. You simply upload your video or provide some basic information about your ad, and AdCreative AI takes over from there. Now, what makes AdCreative AI stand out from other design tools? It has a unique combination of AI-driven templates, customization options, and performance analytics. You're not just getting pretty thumbnails, you're getting thumbnails that are specifically tailored to perform well. Whether you're running Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or any other platform, the software optimizes the thumbnails based on what drives clicks and engagement. If you're wondering how to use this software, it's pretty straightforward. Once you log in, you'll find a user-friendly interface. Start by selecting a template or choosing a blank canvas if you prefer total customization. From there, you can upload images or select from the stock photos and icons available in the library. What's really cool is the AI will suggest adjustments to your design, like changing the text size, font, or positioning to make sure your thumbnail is as eye-catching as possible. The best part? You don't need to be a design expert to use it effectively. Now, I want to emphasize something important. The AI isn't just randomly throwing together elements. It's learning from thousands of high-performing ads and optimizing your thumbnail to fit what works. That means your video ads will have a higher chance of standing out and getting noticed by your target audience. By the way, if you want to test AdCreative AI yourself, you can do so completely for free using the exclusive link in the description below. That's right, you can access the software with an extended free trial to see for yourself how easy it is to generate these high-converting thumbnails. As you get more familiar with the platform, you'll discover how to integrate it into your overall ad strategy. From video ads to social media promotions, AdCreative AI allows you to create thumbnails that help increase your click-through rates and drive better results. It's a game changer, especially for marketers who want to optimize every part of their ad creation process. Now, if you're still not convinced, I encourage you to try it out. See how the software makes creating video ad thumbnails feel like a walk in the park. And remember, don't miss out on the free trial. That's the best way to experience it without any risk. Before we wrap up, I want to mention one last thing. AdCreative AI isn't just about thumbnails. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools for ad creatives, so you can streamline your entire ad creation process. This can be incredibly helpful if you're scaling your business or running multiple campaigns. So, to recap, AdCreative AI helps you generate video ad thumbnails that are optimized for performance, and you can try it for free with the exclusive link below. Don't miss out on this chance to make your ads more effective and save a ton of time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the free trial.